Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold meeting with Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud today. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has said that the New Delhi G20 leaders' declaration showed that India's presidency was able to table ideas, shape global issues, bridge divides and forge consensus. African leaders have welcomed the unanimous decision of the G20 to admit the African nation as its permanent member, with most hailing it as an opportunity for the huge and resource-rich continent to further its agenda on the global stage. In Morocco, the death toll from a 6.8 magnitude earthquake has risen over 2,100, while about 2,400 are injured. In the US Open tennis, Novak Djokovic created history, winning his 24th Grand Slam title.